this video, I'll show you how to set your video to autoplay in a Canva presentation. Open your Canva presentation and drag the video file onto the slide where you want it to play. Resize the video to fit your layout. Navigate to the playback at the toolbar. Ensure both the play on repeat and play automatically options are enabled. Next, click the Share button in the top right corner. Select See All, then choose Present from the menu. Opt for Present Full Screen and click Present to preview your slideshow. Your video will now autoplay and loop seamlessly during the presentation. That's it. If this tutorial helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.